All right, next video. Samson GG. Never watched a video from this guy before. I bought a Star Teemu Gaming Setup. I didn't even know they had gaming setups on Temu, so here we go.
Products on the website Temu, this should be no problem at all. So we're gonna be gaming monitor.
Oh my god, dude, that's the worst way to shop ever. Why would you do that? Oh my god, okay, this will be interesting.
And bagging these reviews, because we have 5-star, 4-star, 5-star. There is no way this could be a problem, boys. After searching for longer than what I expected, we have found our first.
I was gonna say, bro, they probably bury the shit out of those. Like, they don't want anyone buying something that has only 1-star reviews.
Unit right here. We have the Golfalk.
Bro, that's expensive as shit. $133 off Temu?
427 IPS gaming monitor coming in at 1080p, 100 hertz refresh rate. $133. Very bad return process and very bad customer service. Add to cart. Next one on here, gaming keyboard.
Yeah, that dude just, I don't know, they probably voided his return because it showed up broken. Like, he didn't pack it right, and he's just like, fuck them. But it's actually like a really good monitor. It's just so expensive. No one bought it and reviewed it. But he did and was mad. That's gonna be a good monitor.
Okay, guys, Temu actually has the sales. Not only are we getting a RGB gaming keyboard, but also an RGB gaming mouse for a scorching $14.07. Arrived broken and in pieces.
Bro, 14, that's like $7 each. That's like a $10 keyboard and like a $7 mouse. Wow.
Oh, what did I do? Add the cart. And of course, we need somewhere to put our entire gaming setup. So,
dude, like a $4 mouse. I just realized I can't math. Oh my god, I was thinking about that the whole time.
I wish I could spell gaming desk. But don't worry, this one may not have the gaming theme that we were looking for, but it is a ergonomic standing desk. This is the...
Bro, he's buying the whole fucking setup. That's sick.
1/2 pieces, 55-inch electronic standing desk, coming in with a 1-star review. Never got the package, and they refused to give me a refund. Starting to see a common theme here. I'm getting a little nervous, but we're adding the cart. 73% off.
Dude, yeah, it's all customer service issues. It's never even about the product.
But what I may be most excited about is what kind of gaming chair can we get off the...
Bro, I just want to see the like computer. Like, where's the computer? I care about that part. Like, that's the most interesting to me.
We have had such a hard time finding 1-star products off of Temu, except when it comes to our gaming PC, which is probably the most important centerpiece in the entire gaming setup.
Oh, you're not even getting a deal, bro. RX 580, 16 gig RAM, 1 terabyte SSD. Okay, and you get a keyboard and mouse pad. Okay. That's not bad, a 580. That's probably like 120 bucks or something, 100 bucks. But oh no. Okay, 16 gigs of DDR5 is actually pretty fucking good. That's expensive as RAM.
We got the STG.
Oh no, that's an expensive ass graphics card. 16 gigs of RX 580? Oh my god.
Gaming desktop PC. It's coming in with a Radeon RX 580, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and some RGB fans. 1 star. The review, shipping was very fast, but is a Christmas present, so I will update review when I hook it up, comma. Video card don't work, not cool, when a Christmas gift does not work.
Dude, and not the video card, ugh.
Speakers, RGB, clouds, and our mouse pad. It said it was supposed to be here 4 days ago. Our gaming setup may be a little lacking.
You got scammed.
Oh, that's a bummer, bro.
Wow.
That's so minty.
It's only 40 milligrams, so it's like half a cup of coffee.
Dude, we just watched the coffee video too. No, I'd be down for that. Caffeine mints.
Before we could even unbox anything, we already ran into our first red flag, a map of my house.
That is crazy. I still don't understand why you're pulling up the appraisal amount on my home and then putting it in the box. I think they're in my walls.
Honestly, I respect the dedication.
Yo, that is so sketchy. What the fuck? I'd be really alarmed.
Temu, but that won't stop us from unboxing our first item, our 55-inch standing desk.
What?
Oh my god, I just want to get them to set it up. I don't want to watch that whole setup process. Let's go to like the PC parts.
But Joel, we gotta give the people what they want.
Oh.
Ever seen that? Of course, you always have your switch behind it, but an actual spring. But mouse. Oh, sorry. Little rough on the clicks, but the one thing that I'm a little disappointed at is all my gaming mice have the two buttons here on the side that I use for.
Wow.
I mean, how does the stability on the leg thing look? Because it feels like when I put my legs on it that it's gonna snap.
But after piecing together most of our setup, it's time to plug in the most valuable.
Okay. So that's what we look like. What about the PC?
With the PC. Dude, we even got a mouse in. That looks eerily similar to each other.
Which one's cooler?
The white and black one.
What? Well,
Here is the main event.
it's so small.
Dude, it's like a micro ATX one.
RGB fans right here, another RGB fan, two RGB fans.
That's actually a really good price then for that, if it actually does work.
I want to give you guys a quick comparison in PCs, okay? Look at that thing.
That's like, don't talk to me or my son ever again.
Now, before we turn the entire PC setup on, it is the moment of truth.
Now, if you
Yeah, his is probably a fucking huge ass graphics card, so.
Ooh. Sup, 401. This is definitely not worth the 1-star review. Dude, look at that thing. And it's got, I'm guessing,
Supreme
400
logo.
games built into one. So we're gonna be plugging this in. We're gonna be giving it.
Oh my god, it doesn't work.
Whoa!
Why is it vibrating?
Oh no.
Okay, honestly, I'm impressed that first of all the chair turned on, but second of all the PC turned on.
I know.
That's exciting. Oh
Okay.
no, wait, the rope light.
Chair has
It's
lights?
gonna look so aesthetic and
I know.
not like a crime scene at all.
Oh. Wait, why are they on the same
Oh,
remote?
the PC and the chair controlling both at once.
I click red and that changes to green. I go green, that changes to purple. Question is, do I want this PC to be able to connect to my Wi-Fi?
I mean, they already know your address.
Oh yeah, you just have random ass lights then. That's kind of goofy.
I'm being.
Dude, I'm going for that equalizer. It says I'm 38th right now. Yeah, right.
Wow.
Dude, it works. I mean, that's the part I'm impressed about.
Connected.
Oh yeah. Oh. Round sound.
Area is yours to capture now.
Oh my god.
Oh, dude, they probably use like aftermarket, like, yeah, RX 580 16 gig, but it's probably like a different brand. Like all Chinese brand stuff or whatever it is. I don't know more about that, sorry.
Dividing nature down the middle right there. If they would have sealed that, it would have been like a 4.5 out of 5.
Yeah, that's just rough. I mean, you're going for 1 stars. Like, you're gonna find like not the best stuff. But I just thought that'd be interesting to see what it would be like. Yeah, anyway.
A dog
Next
owner's
video.
loan